umwami w'abarasita wa reggae. Muribuka ko abarimo bakurikira amakuru agize imyaka 30 bibuka isabukuru yo kwitaba Imana Bob Marley.
It has been 30 years after the death of the reggae legend Bob Marley.
Bariya n'abantu bajyanywe kera muri Jamaica.
Those are people who were taken in Jamaica.
Ariko ntiyigeze mu buzima bwe yibagirwa Afrika.
But he never forgot Africa.
Mu ndirimbo yaririmbye indirimbo ya Zaburi 137.
In one of his songs.
The river of Babylon, we were a sea, remembering Zion. Murayibuka? Iyi ni indirimbo yamuzamuye cyane, abantu benshi bamenya Bob Marley. Abakobwa bacu bagira ubwiza bakagira ngo nukuza gusa bambaye ubusa hano imbere. Nibaje kugwerekana hanze hari
Our women are beautiful, but they can't even go to the pageant
ugomba kwikwiza, ugomba kwambara neza. Mwumva abakobwa, ntimukaze mwambara amapantalo hano imbere. Muze mwambara amakanzu meza.
Women should be
mukenera amapantalo iri hanze muri. Ariko ha mu nzu y'Imana haba conduct code zaho.
So our women,
abahungu bacu ntimukaze mushyiremo imisatsi ya rasta. Iriya misatsi ya rasta kandi muri abana beza no gutobora amatwi biriya sibyo. Abarasta batangiye ryari? Batangiye ari abarakare. Ikindi cyo mutazi, rasta yatangijwe nande? Rasta en fait anyway biriya byatangijwe n'abarakare bo muri Jamaica. Abenshi bari bavuye muri Congo. Buriya Congo niyo hamwe n'abagabone bashiramo vodou. Niho rasta ikomoka. Nabonye abantu barimo badisita benshi ngo bya rasta ngo simbizi. Ndayizi cyane mu buryo nzi ivuka ryayo, ndayizi cyane.
I saw some people debating on what I thought about Rastafarism. I understand its origin, where it came from. Some origin are from Congo, others from Gabon. Marcus Garvey are the founders of the Rastafarism movement. And Rodney started to write about it.
Bob Marley
revived Rastafarism by his through his songs.
Kubera imico yo muri Congo kera babatwara ari imbohe bagiraga ikintu cy'urumogi bita cannabis, kugira ngo ubashe kujya mu mwuka wagombaga kunywa cannabis. Nukuvuga ngo umurasta agomba kujya mu yindi si, donc ari byo bita Babylon.
So
ndayizi cyane.
The reason why
ndayizi cyane.
The reason why Rastas
smoke
cannabis or marijuana, the origin is from Congo a long time ago, where they were worshipping idols. They had to smoke cannabis to go into trance and worship their idols. That's why it's involved in Rastafarism. When they missed where they came from as slaves,
so mu buryo bamwita ngo niwe Yesu. Ngo abarastafara Yesu wabusuyu wacu ni Haile Selassie uriye muri Ethiopia wapfuye.
So
donc ni gute mwakwambara biriya biye?
Rastafarism is a false religion. They are Jesus, Messiah is Haile Selassie from Ethiopia, so they don't have the same Jesus, same Messiah as us. So it's a false religion. They call him the Lion of Judah. Haile Selassie, not Jesus, our old Jesus. So why did they start to have dreadlocks?
No.
They didn't read it from the Bible.
Abaprisonniers barimo batabasha gusokoza imisatsi y'abanye myinshi, aho niho baje kudevelopa rero gukuza imisatsi yabo. Muri kwa gukuza imisatsi bashaka ikiba defanda, baravuga ngo n'abanaziri bagiraga imisatsi ariko ntibayishiragamo madrede.
The reason why
jewe ndayizi yose.
The reason why those from the Rastafari religion have dreadlocks.
Ubundi dini rya
Rastafarism
ryarabirabura bashaka kwikukira ngo bave kujya abazungu.
Ariko sibwo buryo tuzikukira. Uburyo tuzikukira
tuzasoma Bibiliya. Umwami w'abarasta wa reggae, muribuka ko abarimo bakurikira amakuru agize imyaka 30 bibuka isabukuru yo kwitaba Imana. Bob Marley.
It has been 30 years after the death of the reggae legend Bob Marley.
Bariya ni abantu bajyanywe kera muri Jamaica.
Those are people who were taken in Jamaica.
Ariko ntiyigeze mu buzima bwe yibagirwa Afrika.
But he never forgot Africa.
Mu ndirimbo yaririmbye indirimbo ya Zaburi 137.
In one of his
songs. By the
songs.
river of Babylon, we were a sea, remembering Zion. Murayibuka? Iyi ni indirimbo yamuzamuye cyane, abantu benshi bamenya Bob Marley.
Now Bob Marley, in one of his songs, he sang this Psalm 137, and this song is one of the songs that made him very recognized and famous.
Uko bari connecte na Rastafari muri Ethiopia.
They were connected with the Rastafaris in Ethiopia.
Abo batekerezaga ko Afrika,
where they thought that Africa
ariyo yavuye mu mucunguzi,
is where the Redeemer came from, the Savior.
Mu buryo abantu bose babakurikiye,
in a way that the people who followed that
bakurikiye ideology yabo,
who followed their ideology,
muri Jamaica,
people in Jamaica,
muri Haiti,
in Haiti,
muri Brazil,
Africa
iracyari ku mutima wabo. Imyaka hafi magana angahe baragiye.
Africa is still on their hearts after the hundreds of years that have passed.
Bakomeje bakonekta.
They connected still with Africa.
Niba Bob Marley yari connected na Africa, uyu munsi Imana iragusaba ngo connecte n'ijuru.
If Bob Marley was this connected to Africa, God is asking you to be connected to heaven.
Ngo ninkwibagirwa Yerusalemu, ukuboko kwanje kw'iburyo kwibagirwe gukora. Nta mwana w'imfura watoboye amatwi keretse aba bazungu.
No real man who have just pierced their ears. A boy tried to pierce their ears.
Nta mwana w'imfura waje kuririmba imbere afite kobo yishanyutse. Tibibaho.
No, a man who have come here on altar to sing with a trousers.
Kandi namwe murabibona wa pastor mukabyihorera. Tiyagira umukobwa, tiyagira umudamu uzaza ahimbere kubayobora yambaye ipantaro. No.
Don't allow
ta muririmbyi ugomba kuririmba w'umukobwa yambaye ipantaro.
A female to come here singing while they're wearing trousers. It is not possible.
No. Muze mwubaha aha hantu.
Have some respect for this
muri
place.
Zion ntushobora.
In Zion temple you cannot do that.
Umukobwa ko araza yambaye ipantaro zimufashe utubuno twose tuneganega ko araramyande Imana cyangwa arimo arateza umwako urusengero ambara ijipo ryiza.
You come here on the altar with the trouser. Are you worshiping God or your ancestors?
Muranyumva neza?
You hear?
Tihagire bashumba mura. Ndabasaba bashumba mura namwe bakristo mu nyumva. Amakorari yanyu yose. Tihagire umukobwa uzongera kuririmba yambaye ipantaro. Cyangwa gukora protocole yambaye ipantaro.
Do not allow girls to come here when they're wearing pants here on the altar.
Ntabwo mubuze amakanju. Hano nayubuntu muratoragura.
You are not lacking the shops to buy dresses.
Icya kabiri.
Second.
Tamwa no muhungu ugomba kuza gucuranga kugira afite amaherene mu matwi. No
boy child who should come here to play here when they have earrings.
Iherene rivuze iki?
What does earring mean?
Barishiragaho umuntu wanze gucurwa ngo abe imbata itahi wabo nyuma y'imyaka 7 n'imyaka 50 basubizaga imbata zose wabo ariko wanze akavuga ngo ngenda shaka gukomeza kuba kwa data buje bafataga uruhindu bagatobora ugutwi bagashira mu iherene bisobanura mwe mubona amaherene muyambaye ntimumenye impamvu ihenere no kuvuga ngo ndi imbata iteka ryose kuki abana bacu mwemera ko babimbata. The
earring was a symbol of long-lasting slavery. Someone who didn't want to go back to their homes, and they get the earrings as a symbol of slavery. Why are we allowing our sons to come here with earrings? Another thing. No, a boy who is allowed to come here to sing when they have dreads here. Those dreads.
Ni dini yitwa Rastafari.
It's a religion called Rastafari.
Rastafari ni dini ya Satani.
Rastafari is a certain. So these kids are wearing this without knowing.
Rastafari is Satanism.
Rastafari is a satanic.
Go and wash your hair and cut your hair.
Go and genda wiyogosheshe kandi woza
ugira umusatsi mwiza.
Have a beautiful hair.
ikindi muzamugira utu wingi ntabwo uri wings. You are not the wings. Don't have udusatsi tumeze nk'utwishitani tw'utudayimoni. No, gira imisatsi mizima.
Don't have a hair that is carries like satanic. Have good hair.
Muranyumva neza?
Do you hear me?
Ibi ndabibabwiye kugira ngo ejo nejo bundi ariko mumera.
I'm saying
Nimuva mugene muyogoce muhindura imisatsi yanyu mube abana clean.